y'all gonna call me I'm a rice boy or something, but I decided to go with some, yeah, y'all see that? Spike lug nuts, baby. A lot of you might be like, no, why are you putting those on your Jeep? You know, like, don't do it. But you know, I want something different. I never had these, always wanted these. So I'm gonna give it a try. And these are way different than my OEM ones, but so I'm gonna go ahead and put these on and see how it looks. It looks like it's gonna be pretty nice. I wish they were like more red though, like this, like the caliper. But I fucks with it though. So I got one on there. She looking pretty. So now I gotta put the other one. At first I got scared. I was like, oh man, they're not gonna fit. I'm gonna have to cancel this video. I'm gonna have to hit the people and be like, hey, these didn't fit. You know, don't you guys hate that? Don't you guys just freaking hate that when you guys order something online and then it's like, you know, it doesn't fit or anything? I hate that. What the hell's going on here? This shit better fit in there, man. I'll be right back. Sorry about my my stupid sprinkler over there. Goddamn sprinkler. Don't you guys hate those loud ass motherfuckers? Alright, so I got that second one in there. A quick little tip for you guys. This is just my personal preference, whatever you call it. But if you guys are gonna be installing these, you guys want to put the lug nut inside this socket as you're installing it, because for some reason I was doing it with my hand. It didn't want to go through, so I think it needed like some type of weight, and it worked. So let me see if I can do them with one hand for y'all. Got the lug nut inside the little socket thing. All right, let's try to do this one. Come on. All the way up in there. Just how she likes it. Oops, sorry. Keep your kids off this video. Away from this video. I'm bad influence. Got it in there though, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. And I'll show you when all of them are on. So another thing you want to do is buy yourself a torque wrench. This is what I did. Right here, babies, right here. It'll come in handy. You know, see what your car's lug nut specs. That way you got the right torque on them. So on the Jeeps, I'm not sure how much it is, but I'm just gonna do 100 pounds, because you know this thing does have power. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 100 pounds on each lug nut, you know, to get it right. Nothing will fall off, pray to God. And then yeah, so that torque wrench is gonna help you guys get yourself the specs, and you know, that way you don't have to worry. All right, so this is how they look. So then again, I went 120 pounds of torque on these guys. So don't do 100. You know, I went 120 because, you know, I just looked it up on Google. And yeah, I think it was like from 115 to 120. But I gave this little, you know, 120 because, you know, I don't trust myself sometimes. You know, I drive kind of fast sometimes. So yeah, if you guys are putting these on your Jeeps, make sure y'all don't make videos with a fucking sprinkler on. Anyways, yeah, just tie these up with your torque spec wrench here. Put it at put it at 115 or 120, and you'll be good. So that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little miniature video of me installing these long lug nuts. And about to wash this baby up because she's pretty dirty. That's why I logged him. Nah, I'm just playing. Alright, you guys have a good one. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Your boy Jay Steez is out.
J Lace on the track.